very famous products from Amorgos. It's raki psimeni. The base is raki and I mix together with honey, rose, cinnamon, and just a little sugar to make the color. The other famous product from Amorgos, it's Pastelli. It's this one. This one, it's Pastelli. It's sesame and honey. And also the people here to use kimino. I don't remember in English this kind of herbs. And the old women here also put this on the slice of lemon. And the other products, it's a sweet rose. It's typical also, this one's from Amorgos. It's nice products to use for breakfast or together with ice cream or with yogurt. The other kind of products, it's lucum. Also the people to visit monastery, the monkeys to give and lucum and raki psimeni. This salt also, it's out of Amorgos in one small island. The name is Andikeri. It's very nice salt. It's natural without chemical. To this, the people take it from the rocks and give it to me. It's completely natural without nothing inside. The other famous products, it's fava. It's this kind of flower, and after the people take it from the ground, from this flower, and put like this, and I don't remember the place. Put it on these two stones to take it, and after from these beans, it's inside, it's yellow. Now it's possible to show you. Also this kind of products, it's possible this kind of bills to find in Amorgos to make a food. It's very famous. The name is fava. Full of herbs. You know, this also one family from Lagada in Negali. Take it all this kind of herbs. And the last year also make also massage oil from this kind of herbs. Hyperium oil and rosemary essential oil based on local and almond. All this kind of products, it's natural, it's from Amorgos. Many people this time to make wine from the grapes, also sweet of this kind of grapes. All these kind of products that the women to make it at home, only with sugar and lemon, no chemical, nothing else. And also this olive oil, it's from Amorgos. Also this one, it's natural, but don't have a lot of this kind of products because few olive tree in Amorgos. And raki, white raki also is the base from this kind of products, psimeni, but not so much because the island is not full of grapes. That's all. I don't remember something else. The food is excellent in Amorgos. The name is, one of them is patatato, it's very famous. It's lamb with red tomatoes, red sauce, to put all together on the oven. and it's very typical food from Amorgos, and many people, many tourists, it's interesting about this kind of food. That's all.